smoke rises, so you want to get as low as you can to the ground. Question for the parents, do you guys know if you have good working smoke alarms? Yeah? So again, your smoke alarms do expire every 10 years, whether they're hardwired or battery. So if you ever take your smoke alarm down, on the back there should be a date. It's 10 years from that date. That's something to always keep in mind. Again, if your smoke alarm does take any batteries, it's always good to replace your batteries at least once a year, right? So it's always good to maintain that. It gives you that fast early detection to get outside your home, right? So our little display here, our dummy, he ended up falling asleep. He was careless smoking inside of his house. His cigarette had fallen out of his hand onto the carpet, so what's going to happen is the carpet's going to start to burn from that cigarette, right? So you can see how safe it is down there? See how much smoke's up here? Right? That's why you want to stay nice and low. So after a while, you're going to start to see some flames.